SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Search Engine Optimization, or SEO, is a method to enhance your website's visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing, and other search engines. The more visible your pages are in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. SEO involves various strategies such as optimizing your website's content and structure, ensuring it is fast and mobile-friendly, and building quality backlinks from other sites. The ultimate goal is to rank higher on search engine results pages, which increases your site's visibility and leads to more organic traffic you don't have to pay for directly. Content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. Unlike traditional marketing, which interrupts potential customers with products or services, content marketing aims to entertain, educate, or solve problems for an audience. This approach helps businesses establish expertise, promote brand awareness, and keep their brand top of mind when consumers are ready to buy. By providing valuable content, whether through blogs, videos, podcasts, or social media posts, companies build relationships with their audience, making them more likely to buy from them in the future. Content marketing is not just about pushing content. It's about attracting the customer to come to you.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love.
Social media marketing. Social media marketing uses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to build brand awareness, capture customer attention, and connect brands directly with their customers. This type of marketing can include everything from posting content that drives engagement to running social media advertisements. Social media marketing is powerful because it allows brands to reach their audience in a personal, conversational way. It also provides a venue for real-time feedback and direct communication with customers, making it a dynamic tool for customer service and brand loyalty building. By leveraging the wide reach and high engagement of social media, businesses can effectively spread their message and promote their products or services. PPC, pay-per-click. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is an advertising model used to drive traffic to websites, in which an advertiser pays a publisher, typically a search engine, website owner, or a network of websites, when the ad is clicked. PPC is commonly associated with first-tier search engines such as Google Ads and Bing Ads. Advertisers can bid on keywords relevant to their target market, and when a query includes the advertiser's keyword, the advertiser's ad might appear on the search results page. The ad's placement is based not only on the bid amount, but also on the ad's quality score, which is determined by several factors including click-through rate and relevance. PPC allows for fast results and detailed data analysis, making it an effective and measurable marketing strategy. CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is a strategy for managing an organization's relationships and interactions with potential and current customers. A CRM system helps companies stay connected to customers, streamline processes, and improve profitability. When people talk about CRM, they are usually referring to a CRM system, a tool that helps with contact management, sales management, productivity, and more. Effective CRM gathers customer interactions across all channels in one place, managing and analyzing these interactions to deepen customer relationships and propel sales growth. By understanding the history and needs of each customer or client, a business can enhance their experience and increase overall satisfaction. Brand equity. Brand equity refers to the value a brand adds to a company's products or services. This value comes from consumer perceptions of the brand's name, logo, and marketing messages. Higher brand equity means that customers have a positive perception of the brand, which can result in increased sales, better customer retention, and easier introductions of new products. Brand equity is built through consistent positive experiences and marketing, which reinforces the brand's position and promise. The stronger the brand, the greater the social and financial value it generates for its company. Brands with high equity are perceived as trusted and reliable, which is a powerful asset in competitive markets. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad consumer or business market into subgroups of consumers based on some type of shared characteristics. These segments can be defined by criteria such as demographics, age, gender, etc., geographic locations, behavioral patterns, or even psychographics, values, interests, lifestyles. The purpose of market segmentation is to identify high-yield segments, that is, those segments that are most likely to respond to a specific offering or campaign. By understanding these groups, businesses can tailor their products, marketing campaigns, and services to meet the unique needs of each segment effectively, enhancing customer satisfaction and optimizing resource usage for better return on marketing investments. Conversion rate. Conversion rate is a key measurement in digital marketing that tells a business how well they are turning visitors into buyers or actionable leads. It is calculated by taking the number of conversions, whether that's filling out a form, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase, and dividing that by the total number of visitors to your site, then multiplying by 100 to get a percentage. A higher conversion rate indicates that your website and marketing efforts are effective at convincing visitors to take your desired action. Improving conversion rates can be achieved through testing and refining website elements like calls to action, content, and user experience to better align with visitor expectations and needs. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing taps into the influence of individuals who have a large following and credibility within a specific niche to market products or services. These influencers can range from celebrities to content creators on social media platforms who have built a loyal following. By partnering with these influencers, brands can leverage their authenticity and reach to promote their message in a relatable and trustworthy way. Influencer marketing works because it uses the principles of social proof and authority, as followers often value the opinions and recommendations of the influencer. Effective influencer campaigns are those that feel natural and genuine, aligned with the influencer's regular content and audience expectations. Digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use electronic devices or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Unlike traditional methods, digital marketing offers highly precise targeting and data analytics, which allow marketers to optimize their campaigns and understand their audience incredibly well. Digital marketing is dynamic, constantly evolving as technology develops. It includes not only advertising via the internet, but also emails, apps, and even some forms of broadcast marketing like digital TV and radio. Omnichannel marketing. Omnichannel marketing is an approach that provides customers a fully integrated shopping experience by unifying user experiences from brick-and-mortar to mobile browsing to social media and everything in between. It's about true continuity of the customer experience across channels. A customer can engage with a company in a physical store, then get follow-up emails on promotions, browse mobile notifications, and communicate through social media platforms with consistency. The key to successful omni-channel marketing is not just being present on all channels, but integrating them in such a way that feels natural and seamless to the customer, improving their overall experience and loyalty to the brand. Customer Acquisition Cost, CAC. Customer Acquisition Cost, CAC, is the total cost of sales and marketing efforts that are needed to acquire a new customer. It is one of the most important metrics in marketing and finance as it helps determine the total expenditure required to expand the customer base. CAC includes all C-level activities such as advertising costs, salaries of marketers, the cost of marketing and sales software, and more. Keeping track of CAC helps businesses determine the return on investment, ROI, of acquiring new customers and can guide decisions on how much money to invest in marketing and sales. Reducing CAC while maintaining or improving conversion rates is critical for increasing profitability. Retention rate. Retention rate in marketing measures the percentage of customers who remain engaged with a company over a specific period compared to the number at the start of that period. High retention rates are often indicative of customer satisfaction, product or service quality, and effective ongoing engagement strategies. This metric is crucial because retaining existing customers is generally less expensive than acquiring new ones. Companies use various techniques to improve retention, including loyalty programs, regular communication through emails and social media, personalized offers, and excellent customer support. Improving retention rates can significantly increase profitability as existing customers tend to buy more and can advocate for your brand. Lead generation. Lead generation is the process of attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has indicated interest in your company's product or service. Methods for lead generation include job applications, blog posts, coupons, live events, and online content. The process often involves collecting a visitor's information through a form to create a sales pipeline, which can then be nurtured through the sales process to convert into paying customers. Effective lead generation strategies are crucial for business growth, as they ensure a steady influx of new customers into the sales funnel. Return on investment, ROI. Return on investment, ROI, is a financial metric used in marketing to evaluate the efficiency of an investment or compare the efficiencies of several different investments. ROI measures the amount of return on an investment relative to the investment's cost. To calculate ROI, the benefit or return of an investment is divided by the cost of the investment, and the result is expressed as a percentage or a ratio. In marketing, ROI helps businesses assess the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns by understanding how much revenue a campaign generated compared to its cost. A high ROI means the investment gains compare favorably to cost, making it a valuable tool for making data-driven marketing decisions. A/B testing. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a marketing strategy where two versions of a web page, email, or other marketing asset are compared to each other to determine which one performs better. This method involves showing the two variants, A and B, to similar audiences at the same time to see which version has a higher conversion rate. A/B testing is an invaluable tool in the marketer's toolkit because it allows for data-driven decisions and can significantly improve the effectiveness of marketing materials by tailoring them based on user response. The key to successful A/B testing is ensuring that only one element varies between the two versions to clearly attribute any differences in performance to that variable. Viral marketing. Viral marketing is a strategy designed to encourage individuals to share a marketing message to friends, family, and other contacts, creating potential for exponential growth in the message's exposure and influence. Like viruses, such strategies take advantage of rapid multiplication to explode the message to thousands, to millions. Effective viral marketing campaigns stir strong emotional reactions and are often tied to the identity and personal expressions of the user. They can be incredibly cost-effective, given the nature of their sharing, and can produce massive levels of awareness and traffic to a brand quickly. Customer lifetime value, CLV. Customer lifetime value, CLV, is the total worth to a business of a customer over the whole period of their relationship. It's an important metric because it costs less to keep existing customers than it does to acquire new ones, so increasing the value of your existing customers is a powerful way to drive growth. Calculating CLV helps businesses develop strategies to acquire new customers and retain existing ones while maintaining profitability. Strategies to enhance CLV include improving product quality, offering customer loyalty programs, and providing exceptional customer service. Content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Instead of pitching products or services, businesses provide truly relevant and useful content to their prospects and customers to help them solve their issues. This type of marketing is often used by businesses in both B2C and B2B contexts, and includes formats like blog posts, videos, ebooks, infographics, podcasts, and webinars. The goal is to establish expertise, promote brand awareness, and keep your business top of mind when it comes time for a customer to make a purchase. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. It involves making specific changes to the website design and content that make the site more attractive to a search engine. The goal of SEO is to ensure that a site ranks highly in the search engine results for relevant keywords and phrases. The process includes keyword research, content creation, and building backlinks, as well as optimizing the website's technical aspects such as speed, user experience, and mobile friendliness. SEO is a critical component of digital marketing because it allows your business to get more visibility and users without paying directly for advertising placements.